So I've got the ammeter here on the 10 amp range. It is in series with the 8-volt power rail coming to the card cage, which is right off camera over here, and the two floppy drives are over on the left hand side. Of course you can't see them, but you can see the front panel in the background. And what I'm going to do is bring the system up and kind of take a look at current draw. So give me a second here to get TerraTerm open. My machine screen locked, which is fine. Got TerraTerm open. Let me apply power to the system and we'll see what current draw is. And 4.3 amps. That's not bad. Floppies are on. Let's go ahead and boot. Reset. Examine run. And we can see it didn't, it didn't seem to get much above 4.3 amps. Very nice, very nice. Do a couple things with the machine here. Looking for a particular program, I'm not finding it. It might be on the B drive. Great. DDoS error on the B drive. Why am I getting DDoS errors on the B drive? The floppy I have in there is not the floppy I wanted. Oh, I should have planned better here. Okay, got the floppy in the B drive that I actually wanted to look at. There it is. Go ahead and load up MBasic. Again, our current draw is sitting about 420 something, or 4.22 amps, which is excellent. And basic is loaded. A little test program here that will simply open a file on each drive, write it, and then I read it back. So we get a lot of head clattering here. So I'm happy with the disk and the B drive. Which, okay. And we actually draw it back to DOS. Oh well. Looks to me like our current draw is not getting above 4.5 amps at any point. And we pretty successfully loaded that linear power supply up into the range of 7 amps or so. Definitely 6 with no problem. We did see the voltage, the burden on the supply bring the DC voltage down, which will be a little kinder to the regulators. So I think really that might make a really good target linear supply for the system, just because it makes it a little more truly vintage. So I'm really happy that's all the current draw I've got. I've got processor card in the machine, the front panel interface, and the front panel LEDs. I've got 4 16K memory cards. I've got a ROM card, I've got a serial I/O card, and the floppy drive controller. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards. So it says I'm drawing about a ½ amp on average per card, which isn't bad. I'm suspecting the memory cards are a larger chunk of the draw. Don't know that. But no, these two steps kind of say to me I'm on a good path here. So I guess I will wrap this little mini segment up here, and I'll see you in the next video.